everyone, today I'll be introducing you to this Cantulia Bambi piano accordion. On the treble side we have 26 keys and 2 registers. It has 2 sets of reeds, both middles. On the left-hand side, we have 40 buttons and 3 sets of reeds, and we go all the way to the 7 chord, which is very nice for this instrument.